just to give you some idea of the advantages of this system with the cyclone, is I've been collecting quite a lot of dust. In fact, I've cleaned out that bucket about 3 times. It's got full, when I say full, about half full or quarter full of dust, and I've cleaned it out about 3 times. Now let me show you how much dust, after that amount of work, is inside the vacuum cleaner. So inside the vacuum cleaner, there's almost nothing. Yeah. So there's just a few parts that have come through. However, there's been a lot of fine dust. So I've been doing a lot of sanding. So let me try and show you that. So you can see here now that my filter is pretty well clogged with fine dust. That's how much work it's been doing. Yeah, so this is important because that would have clogged up much faster if it had been full of all of the larger dust particles. Instead, this filter is able to focus on cleaning up the fine dust particles, paint. I've been cutting MDF and other things that create a lot of very fine dust. So now it's finally time for me to clean out this filter. The flaw in this design is that at the moment I haven't worked out a way to exhaust the dust. So at the moment what's happening is the exhaust is coming straight out of the vacuum cleaner back into the workshop. So what happens there is any dust that doesn't get caught by the filter is just coming straight into the air, into the workshop. So all that fine invisible dust, which is actually the dust that does you harm, is still going back into the workshop. Having said that, I do most of my sanding and everything outside anyway. So in my case it's not too big of an issue, but at some stage I want to create some way to vent this outside, out of the shed. So if I am using this in the shed, there's less dust going into the atmosphere in the shed. I say less dust because all these vacuum cleaners leak dust, so it's never going to be perfect anyway. But my attitude is to keep working on it, keep minimizing the potential harm from dust in your lungs. Okay.